Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Rebeza and today I've got something fun for you all, a mini haul, and I want you to help me decide what's a keeper and what's a nego. Alright, so I have got a few items here, some I am excited about and some I am a little concerned about. Let's check them out together and see what you think. Ready? Let's go. Okay, here is the first one. What do you think? Does this look like something you'd rock or no? Tell me in the comments. I need your honest opinions. Also, I'm curious, what's something you have bought recently that totally surprised you? Like, it turned out way better than you thought, or maybe not so much. Drop your stories below. I wanna hear all about it. Next up, this one's a little different. I was on the fence about it, but let's see. What's your gut reaction? Is this a yay or nay? Honestly, I trust your opinion so much. I might just return this if you say no. So let me know. Should I keep it or move on? Alright, I'm really curious about this one. Anyone here ever bought something similar? You had it work for you. I feel like I need some advice on this one before I make it a regular part of my routine. And while we're at it, I wanna know what's something you're totally obsessed with right now. Could be anything. I love getting recommendations from you guys, so drop them in the comments. I might try them out in a future video. Okay, that's all the items I have for today hauls. I'm really curious, do you think any of these are a must have or should I return them? Let me know. I am all ears. And by the way, thank you so much for always engaging with me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more fun videos like this. I can't wait to see what you all think and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.